This video will show the user on how to create an item-wise debit note against an invoice. Scenario: let's say we have to raise a debit note item-wise on the supplier for quality discount on account of poor quality of goods received against an invoice. Log into EPPS ERP. Select the Finance and Accounting module. Select the debit note transaction. Select the required location from the drop-down list. Select the EPPS and sub-EPPS code as GST debit note, and click the Create button. From the Customer, Supplier drop-down field, select the desired party. In the transaction type, select the Debit Note Against Invoice option from the drop-down list. Select the supplier name and enter the narration. Click the Show button. A pop-up window appears with the list of outstanding invoices. Select the transaction and click Accept. The item-wise details appear in the grid. The items are fetched from the original invoice. Uncheck the item on which no discount is to be considered. Enter the percent at which debit note needs to be created. Select the base for calculation of debit note amount from the drop-down list. Click the Adjust Amount button. A pop-up window appears with the Add Ledger details. Select the ledger. Enter the amount, and click the Add button. Click the Accept button. The ledger details appear in the grid. The taxes are calculated based on the taxes calculated on original invoice. Save and approve the transaction. A success window appears. Click on the FAS Voucher button to view the finance posting of the transaction. The report is displayed. Click on the Print button to view and print the debit note. The debit note is displayed. Hope this video helped you on how to create an item-wise debit note with reference to an invoice. Thank you for watching.